Science Buddy. Good morning. Welcome to your science class. Before we start, let's go back to our last lesson. Direction: read each description of an animal carefully. Choose the correct answer from the option given and write the letter of your choice on the blank. Number 1. I am small and furry. I love to chase mice. I say meow. Who I am. The answer is cat. 2. I have feather and I am cool. You often see me in the park looking for grubs. The answer is pigeon. 3. I am man's best friend. I bark and wag my tail. The answer is dog. I am long and slithery. I sometimes hide in gardens or drains. Correct answer is snake. 5. I am small, have 6 legs, and often march in a line. The correct answer is ant. Good job, kids! Today, we will discover the secret clothes animals wear. We will have an activity. You will put your hand inside the bag and feel and guess what is the animals. Let's try this. For the first bag, it is a cat. For the second bag, it is a pigeon. For the fourth bag, it is a snake. And the last bag, it is a turtle. Today, we will discuss the outer body of an animal. But before that, this is our objectives. The student will be able to identify and describe the different outer body covering of an animal. 2. Show appreciation and respect for animals by recognizing the importance of their body covering and protecting them and helping them to survive. And last, classify pictures of animals according to their outer body covering to sorting, matching, or grouping activities. Parts of an animals. First animals is a camel, or Tagalog is camello. They have an eyes, ears, humps at the back, tail, hook, leg, neck, mouth, and nose. For the birds or ibon, they have feathers or pakpak, leg, tail, wings, eyes, head, and a beak. For ostrich, they have an eyes, body, leg, wings, neck, and beak. For the crocodile or buaya, they have long snout, nostril, tooth, scale skin, tail, leg, belly, and eyes. For dragonfly or tutubi, they have 2 wings, antenna, eyes, thorax, and abdomen. For the cow or baka, they have 2 eyes, nose, mouth, leg, huff, tail, body, ears, and horn. For the whale or ballena, they are blowhole, eyes, lock, ventral slits, and mouth. For the ship or tupa, they are head, nose, mouth, leg, top, tail, body, ears, and head. For the bear or oso, they have 2 eyes, 1 nose, mouth, fear, claw, paw, leg, body, ear, and head. For the eagle or agila, they have beak, head, eyes, tail, claws, feather, and wings. For the rat or daga, they are nose, mouth, leg, tail, body, ear, heads, and whisker. For the chicken and manok or manok, they are beak, comb, eye, tail, wings, leg, breast, and wattle. For the zebra, they have 2 eyes also, muzzle, chest, leg, hop, tail, body, mane, and ears. For the fish or isda, they have 2 eyes, mouth, scales, tail, fin, and head. Here are the sums of the common parts of animals. First, they have nose. This is used by animals to smell and breathe. Next is the mouth. This is consists of teeth and tongue, which are used for chewing their food. Next is the legs or feet. These are used by animals to walk, run, and jump. Next is wings. These are used by animals to fly in the sky. Next is the fins. These are used by fish to swim. Next is eyes. These are used by animals to see things. Different outer body parts of animals such as horn, wings, fins, eyes, and legs, we are better understand how they live and carry out their daily activities. Remember, every body part has an important role in their survival, feeding, and movement. By observing and learning about them, we also learn to value and care for all animals in our environment. Did you understand our lesson? Let's proceed to your activity. First activity, identify the parts of the dog. I'll give you 1 minute to answer the activity.
T-minus 1 minute. T-minus 50 seconds. T-minus 40 seconds. T-minus 30 seconds. T-minus 20 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Answer the activity. Number 1, it is ears. Number 2, it is tongue. Number 3, it is foot. Number 4, it is eyes. And number 5, it is tail. Activity. For your second activity, instruction, identify the matching parts of the following animals. Their similarity is they have both have foot, eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. Next set of animals. Their similarity is they have both have wings, beak, eyes, paa or feet, and bagwis or feather. For the last, their similarity are they are both have tail, eyes, mouth. Okay, good job kids. For your last activity, instruction, Identify the parts of animals shown in the picture. Number 1. It is horn. Number 2. It is wings. Number 3. It is tail. Number 4. This eyes. And last, it is a beak. Good job, kids! How do you feel when you see animals using their body parts to survive, and why it is important to care for and protect them? You feel amazed because each animal's body parts are perfectly made for their needs. It is important to care for and protect them so they can continue to live safely and healthily in their environment. Remember, animals have body parts that may be similar or different from one another. Most animals have horn, mouths, eyes, noses, wings, bodies, legs, and others. This helps them in their daily activities. For your last activity, choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which body parts do fish use to swim? A. Wings. B. Fins. C. Legs. D. Horn. Number 2. Why do birds have wings? A. To run faster. B. To fly in the air. C. To dig holes. D. To chew food. Number 3. If a horse endures its legs, which activity will be most affected? A. Eating. B. Walking. C. Sleeping. D. Breathing. Number 4. Which two animals both use their tails for balance? A. Monkey and cat. B. Fish and chicken. C. Cow and frog. D. Bird and goat. Number 5. Why it is important for humans to protect animals' body parts? A. So they can look pretty. B. To help them survive and live naturally. C. To make them faster for races. D. So we can keep them as a pets. Thank you very much for your listening. I hope you learned our lesson for today. Thank you and goodbye. See you next time.